we've only just begun to live.
Morning guys, so I'm just up and ready for the day. It is currently at the moment 9:21. Have you seen that? I don't know. So I'm getting ready today and I'm gonna go off out to Gilesgate to do a bit of shopping because we're going away next week. We're only going away in the caravan for like a week. Oh look, today's channel not available. I haven't even clicked on anything. What the hell? I'll turn it off anyway. So like I say, we're going away in the caravan Monday or Friday next week, so I'm gonna go and get some stuff ready for that. I need some like wipes and, you know, all the essentials you need. So I've just got on, I'll show you my outfit. I've just got on this super cute dress. Now you're gonna think, when I show you the weather, you're gonna think, well, it's windy and it's cloudy and you're wearing a dress. But it was the only thing I had in me. It was the only thing I had in my wardrobe that didn't need iron. So this is the state of play with the weather. I'll just put the blind up so you can see. Look at it. It's cloudy and it's windy. The sun's been dipping in and out today, but not like it should be. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm currently going to make some breakfast. I don't know what to have, whether to have eggs, to have bacon, to have... I don't know what to have, to be honest. I'm thinking what I might do is scrambled eggs and have a banana. But I'm not quite sure yet. I might have some scrambled eggs actually. That sounds quite nice. And then I need to write... I'm going to go and get in a second a notepad and I need to write a list of what I need. And then I'll be on my way. Bye guys. So today for breakfast I decided I'm going to have some scrambled eggs and a banana. So I'm going to start making that now, and I might have a cup of tea with it as well. My taxi isn't booked to go to Gilesgate till 11, so I've got half an hour-ish to get that down and sorted. Alright?
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while.
So I'm just taking a little poochie-woochie for a walk. We're having a walk, son. Ben, say hello. Decided I'm going to take them in the field today. And yeah. I'm on the little pooch. Have a son. On the way. Goodbye. Good for me, little man. So I haven't been down here in forever. Last time I was down here was like, oh, I don't know, it was like a while back, you know. Should we go down there? Should we go this way? This way. Like I said, I don't know when last time I was down there, but what a nice walk, little man. See where we can end up, eh? I told you already, I'm taking the little man out. He's enjoying this little walk, aren't you, son? Finn. Finley. Are you enjoying the walkies? Well, I've never been down here before, have we, son? We're not this far anyway. Eh? So, I think I'm going to have some mince pie for tea. I like to just keep checking back. I think I'm going to have some mince pie for tea. I'm not that hungry, like, to be honest, but... sorry, my arm's hurting holding the camera. So, I'm going to go, when I get back, I think I'm going to go in the bath. And then after I've been in the bath, I'm going to come down and have a bit of mince pie. And, what's it called? Birds of a Feather's on tonight as well, so I think I'll watch that later on. And yeah, not too much is happening really, guys. The lighting's really bad because it's, you know, it's bad out here. Just making sure I know where I'm at because I don't want to get lost. You know, I keep feeling like stuff's touching the back of my legs, but I think it's just, I think it's just like trees, you know, like Lee. I can hear something. Sounds like a snake to me. Careful, son. You can hear it as well, look at him. I can hear water as well, I don't know where the water's coming from, like. I can hear water, can you, little man? Maybe a little river here. Some people's coming out. I think we could possibly be coming to a dead end, I'm not quite sure actually. I can go right the way around, I think it looks like. I should try it and see where we end up. I know just a double back if I go the wrong way, I'll not turn off anyway. And I know just a double back if I do go the wrong way. It's down here. So have a look down here, son. I'll just turn off here and then I'll come back. I need to. Let's have a quick look and see what's down here, son, eh? I've never been this way before, have I? I can hear some water, I think. Are you sniffing? So, like I say, I was at my nana's last night, as you already know. I think I can see them. I think we'll put the camera away because it looks like someone. No, he clearly doesn't want to say hello, but I think we're going to go back up here, it looks like. And there's another bit of pathway down here, son. Want to try and go down here? Finley, camera's a little bit blurry, it's not focusing on you very well. You want to go up there, like, I should see what's down here first, eh? So this little man has gotten a little bit scared. I don't know what you've heard, son, have you heard some bangs? So I'm having to carry him. Whoa, careful, son, look at the way he's sitting on this man. You're going to show everybody me tits. Finn, go on. You nearly dropped your little shit. Oh yeah, I'm heading the right tracks, guys. Because I know where I'm going. I don't know what you were scared of there, son. Oh, look, you've got shit or something on me. Oh, look at what he's got on us. Shit or something. Can you hear? What can you hear? Come on now. Oh, little man. What can you hear, baby? I actually think I am on the right tracks. I am. I might be a bit further up there. I hope I'm on the right tracks. I'm fucking sweating. You're alright, little man. Won't you worry, darling? You've got one little scared boy. Hey, look, there's a stick. Get a stick, son. Normally he likes to play with sticks, but he must be scared if you're even playing with them, are you, son? Poor little man, he must have heard a little bang or something, did you, son? Eh? Look at him. Oh, come on then. What's the matter with you? Oh, poor little man. I hope I am on the right tracks. If not, I'll have to walk all the way back round. You know if I am, son. I can see some light at the end of the tunnel, so I must be. But I'm absolutely knackered, guys. Clearly I don't walk. I don't do much exercise, do I? No. Right, to be honest, the only exercise I do is when I'm at work. It's walking up and down the home, so, you know. Whew. I'm sweating, guys. It's so hot. It's like so hot and clammy. Yeah, I don't think I'm on the right tracks, you know. Oh yeah, I think. I don't know. Well, if I'm not, I'll walk back. Little man thinks we're on the right track, so don't you, little man? Oh, did you enjoy that walk, son? Huh? Right, go to the gate. Good boy, come on in. Go on into the gate. Good boy. It's all lovely and tidy. Cleaned up after dinner. And guys, so guys, I look like a hot mess right now, but I'm just currently about, I'm not gonna walk out the stairs. I'm just about going in the bath and going in a lovely hot bath. What is my hair doing? Anyway, I'm just about currently going in a nice hot bath. Then I need to try and tackle the state of this shopping off yesterday and get my bag sorted from Nana's. I need to wash this mop, get this dried and washed, I mean. And then I'm gonna sit down and relax with a lovely cup of tea. It is currently, when I find my phone, pardon me. It is currently 19:17 right now, and I'm going to run the bath, and yeah, I'm not going to put any bubbles in it. I might wash my hair first. Should I do that? Should I wash my hair over the bath first and then, yeah, I think I'll wash my hair over the bath first.
Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. One step closer. One step closer.
So my hair's now washed. I'm going to run in the bath now and get in. I always find it easier to wash my hair over the bath first and then get in, because it's just much easier, because I'm not really keen on water going in my ear. I'll show you the products I used, because I did try to show you during that channel, but the camera didn't focus very well. So don't use conditioner every time I wash my hair. I use it like every second time. So that's the shampoo I used. Herbal Essences Ignite My Colour, you can't really see it, but in the conditioner is also the Herbal Essences, but it's the Dazzling Shine version. It's not focusing, but they're the two products that I use there. So now that that's happened, I'm now going to run the bath, jump in and get a nice soak.
Your little hands wrapped around my finger, and it's so quiet in the world tonight. Your little eyelids flutter 'cause you're dreaming, so I tuck you in, turn on your favorite night light. To you, everything's funny. You got nothing to regret. I'd give all I have, honey, if you could stay like that. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up, don't you ever grow up, just stay this little. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up, don't you ever grow up, it could stay this simple. I won't let nobody hurt you, won't let no one break your heart. No, no one will desert you. Just try to never grow up. And never grow up. You're in the car on the way to the movies, and you're mortified your mom's dropping you off. At 14, there's just so much you can't do, and you can't wait to move out someday and call your own shots. But don't make her drop you off around the block. Remember that she's
So I'm just getting out of the bath, and I just seen the last clip put my hair up. I'm gonna get dried now and get my pajamas. And just like that, I'm in my night. I was gonna put pajamas on, but it is getting quite hot. It's like really hot today. I don't know what the temperatures are. Sorry, it's like a pain was. I think probably more. What is the temperature right now?
It's currently 12 degrees.
12 degrees, really? It feels really hotter than that. It feels like 20 odd degrees, but I'm going to sit here for about half an hour to do a little bit of editing. And yeah, that's it really.
When your dad gets home, remember the footsteps, remember the words said, and all your little brother's favorite songs. I just realized everything I have is someday gonna be